Hey there! Did you ever have the experience of having your Xiaomi multi-essential turn into a noisy nightmare with a very strong burning smell? Frustrating, right? Well, don't worry. We've got you covered. Let's find out how we fixed our customers' robot vacuum problems with our best solution. So, our customer brought in their Xiaomi multi-essential, complaining about a deafening noise and a peculiar burning smell. They asked us to fix it, and we started diagnosing. Look at this. When we powered it on, it was like a loudspeaker exploded. Seriously, the noise was so obnoxious, even the neighbors probably heard it. Not only was it noisy, but after a few minutes, it started to smell like something was burning. Not exactly the sweet scent of clean floors. After some serious sleuthing, we discovered the culprit, a faulty fan. No wonder this robot was more of a noisemaker than a cleaner. So, we recommended swapping out that faulty fan for a brand new one and also suggested a deep cleaning service to bring the old robot back to its former glory. We got the green light from the customer, and our team went to work. And we ran some unit tests to make sure this robot was back to its old, quiet self. Fast forward to now Drumroll, please. The Xiaomi multi-essential is back in action. No more screeching sounds or smoky dramas. It's working like a charm and cleaning up like it's brand new. After we got the robot back, the customer was thrilled to see it working well again. So, what's up with your robot vacuum? Give us a shout today and let's get it back in tip-top shape.